Dr. Kevin Ende again discussing hair restoration. Well, everyone always talks about that it takes 12 months to see a final result on hair transplantation. But if you take a patient like this who has just a frontal hair tuft and he has very deep temporal recessions, and you do a hair transplantation on him, of course it is going to take that first hair cycle, which is 3 months typically, for the hair to start growing in. But even when you take a look at this picture, which was taken just 5 months after the transplant, as the hairs are growing in, it can still make a significant change, especially with a patient with short hair like this. There's a tremendous difference in the hairline now just after 5 months, so that's only 2 months of hair growth. The hair is nearly an inch long. It's not its final thickness. Again, this is the before picture here, and this is the after picture. So even though the hair transplant is not in its final growth phase yet, we do not have terminal hairs, meaning that the hairs are not their final thickness. They've come in very thin, as hair transplant usually does, and over time those hairs thicken and become terminal hairs, usually by about 12 months. So uh, basically my point in showing you this photo so early on is to show you how amazing you can look even at 5 months as the hairs start coming in and really just reshapes that hairline and gives you a very, very nice hairline. Now, again, this is a younger patient who will probably lose more hair at some point in the future, and he knows that, and he'll be my patient lifelong because at some point he will require for future hair restoration if propecia does not prevent him from losing further hair.